In this video, we're talking about fixing that tricky water-damaged ceiling spot caused by chimney leaks and how to get the texture just right to match the rest of your room without it looking patchy or out of place. So, here's the deal. First off, if you want it looking seamless, you gotta decide if you're covering just that one section or the entire ceiling. Matching texture is a bit of an art, especially if your ceiling has this old-school popcorn or knockdown style. Some people dig it, some don't, but if you want to keep it consistent, you gotta get the right materials. Head over to your local hardware store and bring a close-up pic or even a small sample if you can. They usually have special brushes or cloths designed for recreating those textures. A lot of times, it's about mixing the right drywall compound, sometimes called mud, and lightly skimming it on with the right tool. Patience is key here because you might need to do a couple of thin layers, letting each one dry before adding more texture to blend it in perfectly. Don't rush it, and try testing your technique on a scrap piece of drywall first. Also, keep in mind that lighting can mess with how texture looks, so check your work with different light angles. One of the biggest mistakes people make when trying to fix textured ceilings themselves is not prepping the surface properly. If there's any leftover water damage or peeling paint, your new texture won't stick and could crack or fall off quickly. Another common slip-up is using the wrong type of compound or not mixing it right, which messes with the texture consistency and makes it impossible to get that smooth blend. Last but not least, rushing through the drying time can totally ruin the look because the layers won't set properly and could bubble or discolor. The fix? Always clean and prime the area first. Ask staff at the store for the exact product recommendations for your ceiling type and take your time drying between coats. If you're unsure, don't hesitate to call in a pro who's done this before. It saves you a ton of headaches. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to link up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, and for contractors looking to find new jobs without wasting time on endless searching. It's all about making those connections easy and reliable, so your home repairs or projects get done right by people you can trust.